So this is your WIMS wire. Okay, you need to plug like this, and you can utilize this automatic relay. So you can plug this switch on this. Just let me plug it. Let me turn it off. I'll plug it here and then plug it back here, and then I'll turn it on. So it will get this is an automatic relay. Yeah, you can set it as per your need, like you can set it like in a 30 minutes or in a week time, and it will automatically give you the power as per the setting. Okay, so here we comes this is these four bottles are CMYK bottles. It's have a lock. You can, when you scroll it down, the pipe will get tight and it will, whenever you want to change, you just lock it and then use it. Okay, so this is one thing. This is for your all CMYK 4 colors, and this is your filter, and this is your uh, pedalistic pump. This is the main thing which work for WIMS. It will rotate the ink, this portion. It will take the ink here and then drain it out by this pipe. Okay, so how it's working is like it's sucking from this place and this then going here and then coming here and then messing it here and then flowing it back to the dampers area, which is this one. Okay, so how it's work, like when this comes to filter and then when it's come back to here, then motor gives the white ink in this portion. Okay, then it will distribute all the 6 dampers, and then it will rotate it back to the same bottle on this lines. You can just see, so these two lines is a one is for taking the ink, and second one is like flowing it back when it's rotate and it's coming back. So I have put my cleaner here. This is just a rough purpose. So the I'll turn it on now and I'll show you like how the ink is moving, how the cleaner is moving and getting back to your bottles. Okay, so how what you need to do is, when you turn it on, these two enhancer button, enhancer rotator is there. Okay, it can turn it off and on both. So this is a main, and this is your exterior motor enhancer button. Okay, so what you need to do is, when you are turning it on, it will work like this, and the red light will be appear here, and then slowly the motor will move. Okay, and the flow will be moved like this. You just see this, like it's after rotating, it's coming back to the bottle. So I can increase it like this. Just see this, like it's moving fast. Just see the pressure here. Okay, and the cleaner is going back after the rotating. Okay, so these are the dampers which you can plug it back in your head. This is the holder which you need to stick it on your the metal part. Okay, I'll tell you when it will reach in your place. So this is as per the need, you can uh, enhance it or decrease it. Okay, this motor will move. When the motor moves, it will filter the ink and it will send it to this rotation part. Okay, and then it will go back to the same bottle. This bottle is just for a demo purpose. The real bottle is this bottle already have a motor fix. This is a stereo motor, okay, which already have one stereo inside this. It will stereo the white ink, okay. And here these 2 points I'll solder it. Once the demo completes, I'll solder it this thing, and this will move by this enhancer, okay. So this is also another motor to shake the ink, okay. One is already shaking the ink, like after shaking it going back, okay. Another motor is this, okay. And this one, this is the stereo. You just see this is the stereo, and it's have a cap also. By removing this cap, you can inject your white ink by you don't need to remove the cap, you just need to remove this part and just inject your white ink, okay. This will replace with the this, and these two pipe will be injected here. Just see this, okay. And that's all, like this is the whole system, and this will work. There is another thing, like I have used a small pipe here just to showcase it, because you have a 2.5 meter ink rotation. So so how we can do is, like I'll cut it from here, this portion, and I'll attach your 2.5 meter of 6 pipelines, okay. So you can directly just fix it there, okay. And rest of pipe I'll pack it separately, and will pack it in a wooden box. You can see like this pressure here, this pressure is getting by the uh, motor only, okay. This is we have like I have used only a little enhancement. If you are using a bigger pipe, then you need to make it full here. It's just like 20 to 30% only. You can move like this, it will move more fast, okay. Okay, thanks a lot. Yeah.